Goodbye, Nissan Leaf. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, Nissan Leaf. I'm so sad. Hey guys, Moshe's here. That was one of my saddest days for me. I swear to God, I had a little tear in my eye. I sold my 2015 Nissan Leaf. Briefly, I will tell you why I sold it. We got the Tesla a few months ago, and we have the Volt and the Leaf. The Leaf was supposed to go, the Volt was supposed to go to my older son. And he decided to study abroad, so we're not going to need a car for a third car for a year. And so I was going to keep the Leaf, sell the Volt, but my kids want to have the Volt when he comes back. And then that's it. So the Leaf became expendable. It's a car I never wanted to sell, but I had to sell it. I'm really tried the best I can. So I put it on sale for about 3 months ago. And please stay for the rest of this video. I'm going to teach you some great lessons. And I put it on cars.com, on all kinds of websites. I put a sign and all that. And I got so many scammers trying to buy my cars. Be careful from scammers. Here's a scammer trick. They're going to send you a check that's more than what you're asking, and saying that the difference is for transporting the car, and they'll ask you to send them to give a check for the guy, and that's how this scam works. So selling your car to a private seller is like you will get the best price, but it's such a pain in the butt hassle, especially if you don't own your title and you have to get some money and then pay and then get it. I mean, I had so many people, okay, we had an agreement, and then, my wife, changed her mind and all that. So if you can find a good qualified buyer, you will always get much more money for your used car. But if you take it to a dealer, your dealership where you bought it from, you'll get maybe 60% of what you're asking. Kelley Blue Book will give you maybe 80% of what you're asking. Private used car lots will give you maybe the same price. So you will not get a good price from what you're asking. And then I decided to look into Carvana. What's great about Carvana is not only you can put your car for sale on their website, they will buy the car from you, do all the paperwork, no hassle, and they will give you even I got like $1,000 more on what I asked for. So whatever I got from the dealership, from used parking lots and all that, Carvana gave you $1,000 more. The guy came with the truck, as you saw. We signed the paperwork, took like 5 minutes, like buying a Tesla. It was really a Tesla experience. They are so great. I so highly recommend Carvana.com. They are awesome. You can buy a car from them. They do financing. I didn't need all of that. They just, they are dealing with Nissan Finance. They're gonna do all the paperwork for me, and I got $1,000 more than all the dealers or the private or the used parking lot used car were going to give me. So it was such a great experience. Stay away from scammers. Be careful. Selling it to a private guy is such a pain in the butt. So I tried for 3 months. I was not desperate, but then you know what? I so happy I waited. I sold it to Carvana. It's great. I'm very, very sad, but what can I do? It is what it is. So that's it. Goodbye, Nissan Leaf. I will miss you so much. And when my son comes back from his abroad studies, he's going to take the Volt, and then I'm going to get me. I don't know what I'm going to get me. I don't know. We'll see what I'm getting. I'm thinking of used Tesla Model X. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. We'll see what happens. We'll see. All right, guys, thank you for watching all my Nissan Leaf videos for 3.5 years. But time to go. I had 39,000 miles on it. But what can I do? Time to go. It was great fun and time to move on. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow with another episode. Bye.